All right, let's get here now. For a family of 3 children, what is the probability of 2 girls and 1 boy? If the question is about children, having children, then you are absolutely going to draw a tree diagram. Let's draw a tree diagram and see what the answer will be. In the firstborn, the probability of having a children, it could be either boy and a girl. And the second birth, it can be again a boy or a girl. It can be again a boy or a girl. And then the third one, again, it's going to be boy or girl. It can be boy or girl. It can be boy or girl. It can be girl, girl. Third will be boy and girl. So this is the first birth. That's the second birth. And that's the third birth. And when we are having a child, the probability of having a boy means 1/2, because there are two total outcomes, either boy or girl, and probability of having a boy is 1/2, 1/2. In the second birth, nothing will change. It's going to be again 1/2. Each birth, the probability of having a boy is 1/2, and probability of having a girl is 1/2. Nothing will change here. So then what are we going to do? We are going to do, okay, the question is 2 girls, 1 boy. What are the possible outcomes? Let's write the possible outcomes first. 2 girls, boy, boy, boy cannot. BBG cannot. BGB cannot. BGG can. Boy, girl, girl. BGG. Or what about girl, boy, boy? Cannot. Girl, boy, girl can. Girl, boy, and girl can. What about GGB? Girl, girl, boy? That's also can. What about GGG? Cannot. If you look at these possible outcomes, you will realize that it contains 2 girls and 1 boy. That's what the question is. Then what is the having? Okay, BGG. BGG. We follow the branches. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. Each time it is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. So that's going to be 3/8. The answer is at least 2 girls. So at least 2 girls. What are the possible outcomes? At least 2 girls. So it could be B, G, and G, isn't it? It could be B, G, G. Or it could be, let's check the outcomes, G, B, G. G, B, G. At least 2 girls. So it can be GGB, it can be GGB, or it can be GGG. If you look at here, the possible outcomes, you will see that there are at least 2 girls or 3 girls, because at least means it can be 2 girls or 3 girls. Each time the probability is 1/8, because 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. So that makes 4/8. It's equal to 1/2. So having at least 2 girls, probability is 1/2 if you like to have 3 children. Okay, let's look at the next question. A bag contains 4 white and 7 green marbles. What is the probability of drawing at random a white marble from the bag? A white marble from the bag, the probability will be 4/11. If a white marble is drawn first and not replaced, so what is the probability of picking up a white marble at the second draw? Now, you draw 1 white marble, so how many marbles left? 10 marbles left. And how many white marbles left? There was 4, but you draw 1 of them, only 3 left. So second time probability of having a white marble will be 3/10. Suppose white marbles have been selected at the first and second rows and not replaced. What is the probability of picking a green marble? Now, you draw 2 times and both of them were white marbles. So how many marbles left? There were 11 marbles. You draw 2 of them, so 9 marbles left. And 4 white marbles, you draw 2 white marbles, then 2 white marbles left. How many green marbles left? 7 green marbles. So probability of having a green will be 7/9.